Are you struggling to get views and subscribers for your YouTube channel? You are not alone, we're all trying to get attention for views. I'll share some of the strategies that can help you grow your channel from scratch to a channel of thousands of viewers and subscribers. If you're trying to grow your channel, you might have observed that your views don't really come from your channel subscribers. Go ahead and check the analytics of your channel. This is common, even major channels experience the same thing. This can actually be an advantage for any channel, big or small, because it levels the playing field. The quality of the content you produce will determine the number of views you get, not necessarily the size of your channel. YouTube recommends your content based on the content quality regardless of the channel size. YouTube normally start by conducting tests on your content. Your videos will be placed in the search and observed how they perform. If they perform well and it's the content people are craving for, keep them engaged on the platform, then you'd have passed the test. YouTube will give you all the traffic you need so that you increase your viewership and subscribers. Step 1. Once you've started your channel, you have to be consistent in uploading content. To keep track of how often and when you want to upload, the best thing to do is to develop a schedule to manage this. Have some days identified as the days you must upload based on your schedule. If you choose to upload new content 5 times a week, then stick to that. If you decide to upload content 3 times a week, then stick to that schedule. Consistency is key in this game. Just accept that some videos will be great, others will not be great. It's part of the game. The important thing is to keep at it. Even the channels with several thousand views and subscribers started somewhere, with videos that were not the best. And there's no rule that says all your first videos will be bad. There's nothing stopping your first videos to blow the roof off. If the content is what viewers want, nothing can stop it. If you have uploaded some content and views for your videos don't move, do not worry. There are some tricks that can be applied to kickstart them. Step 2. In order to grow your channel, you need to ensure that you upload the content that people want to see. Do proper research on your niche and study what the latest trends are. You don't have to copy other people's content. Just use them as inspiration, to help you model what is already working and share it on your channel. Don't be demotivated by channels that get 100,000 views in 2 hours, they also started where you are. If you persist and produce good content, you can also get there. If you have a channel focusing on reviewing tech gadgets for example, all you have to do is go on YouTube and search for channels that are in the same niche as yours. Search for top performing channels in the niche, review the performing videos and study what they offer. Then what you'll need to do is model your next content on what you've seen working. But make sure that you do not copy videos from other channels. Just use them to help you get and build a following and audience. When this happens, YouTube will be on your side and send huge amounts of traffic to grow your channel. Step 3. Make sure that once you've chosen a niche for your channel, you should stick with it. It can be very confusing for viewers if you post content on beauty and makeup for example, and the next content is developed around the niche of gardening. You cannot attract viewers if there is a variety of keywords across your channel due to serving different niches. If you stick to one niche, some of the videos will even have the same keywords. That will help with ranking your content. After watching your video, another one with similar keywords could be suggested to the viewer, and that's how you grow your channel. Make sure you keep your audience on the platform, and YouTube will reward you by putting your videos in the suggested video feed to ensure that they are seen. You don't want to be penalized by YouTube for creating content that bores people and make them to leave the platform. If your content makes people to leave the platform, there's no way YouTube will send you more viewers and subscribers because you'll cost them visitors. You need to keep an eye on your channel analytics to analyze your watch time and get objective evidence regarding your performance. If a certain idea worked and brought you a lot of viewers, you might need to come up with the second part of something similar, to keep them more interested and following you. Step 4. Make sure to focus on different ways to get people to watch your videos during the initial stages. You don't start a channel and have people flocking to watch your videos. You need to go out and find them, initially. This is where the center or click-through rate comes into the picture. You need a higher center, i.e. lots of people clicking on your videos to watch the content. Now, the center is most of the time influenced by the quality of your thumbnail and even the title of your video. First impression counts. The title and thumbnail are what the viewer will come into contact with before they even click to watch the video. The thumbnail should be really good, it must talk to the content of the video, and really make a potential viewer to want to watch. In order to create thumbnails that work for you, make sure that you spend some time researching what is working in terms of thumbnails. Develop your thumbnails to model what is already working, not just copying from other channels. Make them to be in line with your niche. Tweak thumbnails from other niches to fit into your niche. When you've uploaded a number of videos, there's no harm in going back to change the thumbnail for a couple of days and monitor if it has any positive impact on the click-through rate. Monitor closely. If you get more clicks, then stick with the new thumbnail. Changing a simple thing like a thumbnail can help the video to just shoot for the stars. Step 5. You need to really focus on suggested videos. Most videos that take off in a big way come from suggested video feed. That's where the magic happens. YouTube searches are great at the beginning, but eventually, what will grow your channel is having videos that are in the suggestion feed. YouTube will actually be promoting your videos when you get to a stage where your videos are in the suggested video feed. The other trick that works is to put an end screen at the end of the video. This will ensure that related videos are connected together, and once a viewer discovered one, the next related from the channel will be on their screen. This will help build up viewership. Just make sure that what you put on the end screen is content that will be of high interest to your viewer. When the circle of clicking related videos through end screens is repeated several times, YouTube will give you all the traffic you need to grow your channel. The secret to succeed here is to make sure that you never give up. Create content, keep uploading even if the videos are not perfect. Put end screens to keep viewers on your channel and on YouTube. Make sure to upload new content on a frequent basis. And lastly, ensure that you keep on analyzing and optimizing your results. Tweak where you need to make changes and monitor what impact your changes are bringing. If you follow these steps on a consistent basis, your channel will eventually grow beyond your expectations. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.